G'day guys, we're back again with another implement from Nicholas Machinery on this beautiful little 404 tractor. We got the backhoe attachment on him today, and we're going to extend the young fella's jump for his motorbike. We've already done a bit in here. You can see the hole that it dug with ease. Put a bit of dirt here. We're going to put a bit more up today and show you how this little backhoe works. Let's get into it. Righto guys and girls, we'll go get this backhoe working. First thing we want to be able to do is get your pump running. So depress your clutch all the way. There is two-stage, all the way in. Grab your PDO down here, push him in gear and let him out. Your pump's now spinning. Handbrake on, everything out of gear. All locked up, bucket on the ground. Jump out. You see he's just got to be lifted up level, so jump up on top. And your controls are pretty simple. These ones here are for your legs. Push them forwards. Get your stabilisers down. Get yourself nice and square. And these fellas here, push him out to go down. That one controls the boom out. Roll your bucket. And this one here, you're pulling side to side, you'll see him slew side to side. Righto, I'll put you on the ground and I'll show you how this thing works. big things I like about this little thing. It's got plenty of power in the rams and in the hydraulics to be able to pick the whole bloody machine up and move it over a little bit and sit him back down on his feet. It's amazing how much grunt the little thing's got for digging holes, but it doesn't take long to dig a trench like this. Fill a bit of that up, get the young fella in here now and do a bit more on the other end and see how we go. But yeah, let's keep digging. Definitely plenty of power in that. Awesome job, kiddo. Awesome job. Another great little job done with a TRIDENT tractor and the backhoe attachment from Nicholas Machinery.